My name is Jacob Allen Rathke. I was born in Madison, Wisconsin, and moved to Green Bay at 2 years of age. I am currently a senior at Bayport High School. I'm looking for a job that will challenge me and help me to prepare for my future as an occupational therapist. I grew up in a family where having a positive attitude was discussed and demonstrated. From early on, my parents taught me to work hard and be proactive, just like Habit 1. I learned that I have control over my attitude and how I approach situations. I feel this attitude has helped me become the person I am today. We all have negative situations. It's how we approach the situation and respond to it that makes the difference. My academic goals in college are to pursue a Bachelor of Science and a Master's degree in Occupational Studies at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, with the goal of becoming an occupational therapist in a clinical setting. In high school, my focus has been on my grades. However, I've continued to be involved in football and basketball, as well as hold a job as a lifeguard both my junior and senior year. Basketball is one of the activities that has been most important to me throughout my high school career because I feel it provided the opportunity to develop skills that I'll need to advance into a successful college career. Teamwork, dedication, respect, leadership, and discipline are some of the characteristics that have been a huge part of my experience. They have been tested and challenged, but always remain to be components of a successful similar to that in college and career planning. I believe that this experience has made me the person I am today. As a member of the high school basketball team, I have worked the Saturday morning and summer clinics, as well as the school-sponsored basketball tournaments. These opportunities have allowed me to give back to a program that I've been involved in for many years. During the basketball clinics, I interacted and instructed young players and taught the same skills and ideas I was taught over the years. I had to represent my school and this program in a positive manner, which was a rewarding experience for me. My goal was to see these young kids not only enjoy the game, but develop the ability to succeed in something that was challenging. Incorporating the I can attitude was a big part of this experience. These experiences have been the foundation for my interests in occupational therapy. I believe helping to further develop others is an essential part of being a community. As with anything, life can be a challenge, and it's truly how you react that makes the difference. I feel my biggest challenge was at the start of my junior year when I sustained a serious fracture in my right thumb, which required surgery, casts, therapy, and many splints. This incident prevented me from participating in many activities both inside and outside of the classroom. It was a time in my life where being proactive was crucial. I couldn't give up. I had much support from family, teachers, and friends. I look back on this difficult time, however, feel it was a life learning experience and introduced me into the world of rehabilitative therapy. I believe this involvement and proactive attitude has made me the person I am today. I truly think these traits are related to my success and my drive to be a positive influence and an active role model in the community. According to Vince Lombardi, individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a teamwork, a company work, a society work, and a civilization work. I feel my attitude, experiences, and qualifications will benefit your company, and look forward to having an opportunity to meet with you soon.
You know you're not the only ship out on the ocean. Save your strength for things that you can't change. Forgive the one